What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building. And today we're going to talk about Canik. See, got one Canik, got two Caniks, and I got a couple more in the safe. Now we're about to open up a new Canik. This is my Canik Blackout. This is my Canik Whiteout. All right, Blackout, Whiteout. What we about to do is open up this Rival S Steel Chrome, whatever the whole name is. Let's go ahead and get a better look at this thing. All right, let's start out talking about this box. All right, they give you a nice box, and it has the buttons right here that you push to open it up, and nice solid box. Have the lock holes and everything for it. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, they have a little placard here, and yeah, you got that, and you got your manuals and all that good stuff. Boom. Now we have the gun. Have a couple of mags, a couple of back straps. Up under it, let's see, let's pull this out. You have another layer that has your plates for your sights, and you have your loader, you have a holster, cleaning stuff, and all that good stuff is in the box. All right, now let's pull the gun out, take a look at the gun. Here is the Canik Rival Steel, and first off the bat, it is heavier. It does have a lot more weight than, say, this Blackout. All right, the Blackout has a polymer frame, so does the Whiteout. Polymer frame, everything polymer frame guns. So they are a lot lighter, and this actually does not feel bad though, because the weight does not bother me. I'm not a little dude, so a heavier gun is not an issue as far as I'm concerned. And let's see, the trigger is awesome. I've heard a lot of people say how awesome this trigger is. I mean, it feels fan-freaking-tastic. Fan-freaking-tastic. I like this gun already. I cannot wait to shoot it. So there we have the gun. Big hoorah. Nice gun. I like it. But as you see with my Caniks, I tend to do a little something to the Caniks. I don't leave them alone. And these Caniks are 45Blast. 45Blast compensators. All right. You can go to the website 45Blast and check their compensators out. So obviously I got to do something to this one. And boom, there we go. What do we have in the paper? Let's open this on up. Boom, we have a 45Blast for the Rival. 45Blast. So let's go ahead and put this on here. And here, yeah, 3 taps should get it. Yes, it is seated in there correctly. So now we have the 45Blast on the Rival Chrome. Let's go ahead and install this thing all the way. It is real easy to install. You put it down on there. You get your base plate on there. Hold on. You got your screws that you need to screw down. Let's get all of this stuff on here. It comes with a handy dandy Allen wrench to screw all of this down. Let's see. Hold on. Where is the other one? There it is. There's the other Allen wrench. All right. So we have two Allen wrenches, a itty bitty Allen wrench for the one that goes. There we go. All right. There we go. Let's go ahead and get these first screws on down in here. Second one, let's go ahead and get that down in there. There are 4 screws that screw this down. All right, there's that. Now let's get these other ones on the side here. And that uses the bigger Allen wrench. Screw it on down. Righty. That one's all the way down. Let's hit this one a little bit more. All right. So now we have Canik Rival S with 45Blast installed. All right. These run about 200 and some change, you know. So since I figured since I've been doing it to the rest of them, I'll go ahead and do it to this one as well. So now we got the Canik Rival S 45Blast. Y'all hit me in the comments. Tell me if I should leave that on there. You need to take it off or what? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let your boy know something. All right. So that is the first little step of customizing this weapon. All right. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to grab a couple of things from Taylor Freelance and Lock Grips and everything and go ahead and start the journey that this gun is going to go on as we go ahead and do a few things to customize this Canik Rival S. Hit me in the comments and tell me which sight you think I should put on this. Which sight do I need to put on this? All right. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I'm about to take this thing on. All right. And tell me, do you like the Rival S right here? Rival S. Do you like the blackout? There's the blackout. And or do you like the whiteout? Hit me up. Let me know which one you feel is the better looking version of these guns. All right. So appreciate you watching, and Johnny Snow up out of here.